Hello students, welcome back. Welcome back to my biology online classes. Today I am going to discuss with you about identification of Ancylostoma duodenale for your upcoming Parasitology practical exam of SEM 4 under CCF of University of Calcutta. Ancylostoma duodenale is also known as Old World hookworm. This is general name of Ancylostoma duodenale. Disease caused by this parasite is hookworm disease or ancylostomiasis. Both of the disease cause anemia. Systematic position of Ancylostoma duodenale according to classification scheme of Rupert and Barnes 1994. In this classification scheme, all the roundworm parasites are mentioned as the Ascalminthis, phylum Nematoda, class Phasmida, genus Ancylostoma, species Ancylostoma duodenale. Host of this parasite is man. Man is only definitive host of Ancylostoma duodenale. To be identified for this parasite, the stages are adult worm, male and female, eggs, rhabditiform larva and filariform larva. Let's concentrate about adult worm identifying features. This is adult worm, male and female of Ancylostoma duodenale. Make it in your practical copy with proper labeling. These identifying features are common for both male and female. These are general characteristics, general identifying characters. If you have found male or female adult worm, then first write these characters, then after come to sexual dimorphism indicating characters, male and female. Now let's concentrate. Adult worm identifying characters. Number 1, small grayish white cylindrical worm. This is need not to be right in your practical copy. When freshly passed, the worm has a reddish brown color due to ingested blood in its intestinal tract. Not identifying character. Next point. Anterior end of the worm is bent slightly dorsally, hence the name hookworm. This bend is in the same direction as the general body curvature. The oral aperture is not terminal but directed towards the dorsal surface. The large and conspicuous buccal capsule is lined with a hard substance. Buccal capsule is provided with 6 teeth, 4 hook-like on the ventral surface and 2 knob-like triangular plates on the dorsal surface. There are 5 glands connected with the digestive system. One of those 5 glands, called the esophageal gland, which secretes a ferment which prevents the clotting of blood. Now come to specifically male characteristics. Smaller, about 8 mm or 1/3 inch in length. Posterior end is expanded in an umbrella-like fashion known as copulatory bursa. Next point, which is mentioned here as 2A, 2B, 2C and 2D at the time of making your practical copy, at the time of writing identifying characters in your exam hall, mention these characters as number 3, 4, 5 and 6. So 2A means number 3 point. Copulatory bursa consists of 3 lobes, 1 dorsal, 2 lateral. Each lobe is supported by chitinous rays. Dorsal lobe contains 3 rays, 1 single dorsal ray and 2 externodorsal rays. 2 lateral lobe contains 10, 3 pairs of lateral rays and 2 pairs of ventral rays. Now the next point will be number of rays in the copulatory bursa is 13. Now come to the next point will be dorsal ray single but partially divided at the tip, each division of which is tripartite. Next and last point will be genital opening, opens posteriorly with the cloaca. So these are all about male ancylostoma duodenal, specifically sexually dimorphism character. So how much characters I have discussed with 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 7, 4 will be number 7, 5 will be 8 and this genital opening. This is 9. So total 9 male characteristics, male specific. Now female identifying characters of ancylostoma duodenal. Number 1, longer than male, about 12.5 mm or half inch in length. Posterior end is tapering, no expanded bursa. Genital opening is at the junction of posterior and middle third of the body. Anus is present. So this is all about adult worm male and female characters of ancylostoma duodenal.